Ito mga kababayan, tignan nyo itong mga kumakain. Oh, mga gutom.
Nabuhay ang vlogger.
Ang kwan, kailangan may 3 minutes.
Nabuhay sa abad.
Yan.
Number 1 vlogger ng Winnipeg.
Makikita na yan habang buhay na to kasi nakalagay sa YouTube.
We're at Forest Hills Campground.
Forest Hill Campground. Sabi nyo.
Life is good, that's what they call it.
This is life. Life is good. Tomorrow we're gonna see vintage motorcycle show.
Yeah.
800 plus motorcycles from 1940s to modern.
Yeah, at the casino.
Vintage. We got free lunch.
Yeah, free lunch, burger, hot dog,
Yes.
drinks.
But nothing beats this.
Yeah, no way.
Free girl, balatong.
Free alcohol.
Free alcohol,
You
yo.
can drink alcohol.
Uh-huh.
Kailangan mo change yung ano mo. Address mo.
Yung?
Your face. Your page.
Oh, hindi. Ang page ko, Daddy Burmy, yan na.
Yeah. Follow.
Yeah.
Follow Daddy Burmy
Yeah.
on YouTube.
On YouTube.
You'll go places all over Manitoba.
Yeah.
All the campsites. All
All
covered.
campsite. Fishing in winter time. If you wanna see fishing in winter time, you go to YouTube channel, plug in Daddy Burmy, you can see the winter time.
You have to support
Ice
it.
fishing.
Diba?
Walang kami ng pikarel, ko naman.
You have to
Wow,
support
maraming
Daddy
pikarel.
Burmy.
Pikarel yung fishing nila.
Daddy Burmy, YouTube. Ayan, si Charles mag-shout out.
Magsa-shout out, magsusubscribe ka.
Okay, I'll subscribe Daddy Burmy,
Daddy Burmy.
vlogger, the greatest vlogger in the world.
Oh yeah. Sana pagpalain ako ng Panginoon, manalo ng milyon at ako'y mag-charity vlogger.
Oh my.
Talagang pamimigay ko ang 70%. Guaranteed, 100%.
70 laki ha.
70%. Oo, nakarecord yun. Hindi ako nagkuhan. Totoo yan. Pag nanalo ako ng nanalo ako ng milyon ng loto, bibigay ko lahat, 70%. Guaranteed. 30% lang sa akin.
Okay,
Hindi katulad ng mga iba na tinatago ang panalaw.
Para iano ko sa vlogger. Charity vlogger.
o mag-apply na ako abat.
Nay, nawalan na ako ng baterya na, wala na. Putang na.